I'm Anthony.
Hi, I'm Iris.
And welcome to our garden.
Today we're going to talk about root vegetables, specifically beets, carrots, and radishes. We're going for quantity and beauty. So I dig these trenches in here so everything will be lined up and good distance apart. I am laying, these are a kaleidoscope carrots seed, and I got them in a seed strip, seed tape, and this is really good. I struggle with carrots because carrots are very finicky because the seeds are so small and tiny that when you put them in the ground, usually they wash away because you don't have to go that deep. So this tape right here is really good because usually when I plant my carrots, I will have to put a green cloth on top of it, an agricultural cloth, or some kind of a landscaping cloth over it, or a piece of wood until it starts to sprout to keep the seeds from, running off. So this is great because it keeps the seed in its place, and the tape keeps it moist so the seed can germinate. So we're doing half the bed carrots, the other half we're doing in beets, and I have seed tape for both of those. And in the middle we're going to put some radishes. We don't need much radishes because we just eat them in the salads. We don't eat a lot of them, but they are really good for you. I'm just going to tell myself that. So I'm going to finish this last one. Don't have enough to go, so we just go with what we got. Okay, now we're just gonna bury it. In our last video, we did a lot of ground prep. So make sure you watch the last video we did, talking about fall preparation and cleanup, because we did a lot of soil prep. You see the soil is nice. And we did our soil sample and sent it off, so we're just waiting for some results to come back. So we just put the carrots in, and they're all bared and everything. So carrots and beets are great companions. So on this side of the bed, we're gonna put our Detroit beets in here. And so I have some more seed tape, and we're gonna just gonna break it apart like that. And I've already measured it out. So we just lay it down here. And these are, like I said, once again, these are great to keep your beets in place. because the seeds can move, but right now they'll stay right in place. So, okay. Alrighty, we're gonna do something a little different this year. We're gonna plant these crimson giant radishes in this trench here, and then we're gonna do these icicle short top radishes on this side here. And one thing about these they come up in 30 days, so we can multi-plant. So, and that's something different. We've not done that before. We usually do the watermelon radishes. We try something different, and that's the joy of gardening. You can always try something different. Okay, so I got these radishes. Their seeds, they just need to be on the very tip of the ground, half an inch deep, about an inch apart, and I eyeballed it. So I got that line done. And lesson that I learned: make sure you label your stuff so you'll know what's coming up. Because if you don't, you'll be like, what in the world did I plant right there? So make sure you label it. So we've labeled the kaleidoscope carrots on this side, and we labeled the Detroit each on this side. I want you to come and look at this. This is 1 week after we planted everything, and it's got a good rain. I want you to see the radishes are already up. These are the icicle radishes. These are the crimson radishes here. And then you got some beets that are starting to come up. They're little bitty ones. They're just starting to come up all over the place. So
Don't forget your carrots right here.
yeah, these are the rainbow carrots, the kaleidoscope carrots. So they're going to be in all different shapes. Look at that. They're all the way down. So we look for that line there. So this is good. This information was helpful. I hope you learned something. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave comments and let us know how your root vegetables are doing.
And if you take care of the garden